with all of my errands that I just ran and getting groceries, that took me about an hour and 20 minutes, which is pretty impressive because it used to take me like over 2 hours, which I'm not sure why. Back when the kid, probably because I had toddlers in the cart with me. So for dinners this week, I'm going to write them. I've been trying to do better at writing them on this little thing, but for now I have them on my little, I will forever be a pen and paper kind of person. We're gonna do chicken chimichangas one night. We are going to my dad's tomorrow, which is Saturday, so we'll be gone Saturday night. I grabbed a couple frozen pizzas for Brett. Kind of guy time at the house, so I bought him some frozen pizzas. He's literally not doing anything, probably just playing Xbox. We're gonna do baked spaghetti another night, taco ranch bites. Saturday I don't need to figure out anything. Sunday we'll be coming home, so I might grab something on the way home. And then another night we are going to do Italian subs on Hawaiian bread, like little sliders basically. So I left all of the frozen stuff in here. I feel like there's stuff that needs to be cold. I just have ice cream, some cheese, some sausage. Remember all that sausage Brett bought? We went through it. Well, he gave half of it away, but we went through all of that sausage already. Some pizzas, ice cream, stuff for dinner. And then I grabbed strawberry kiwi and orange peach mango juice. Dalton really likes these. A couple things of fruit, some cheese. This stuff is for one of the dinners. Some chips, my cooking spray. This is what Brett takes to work every morning for breakfast. I used to cook him egg sandwiches, but he got burned out, like majorly burned out of that. This is the coffee, Black Rifle Coffee Company. I'm pretty sure, yeah, they support veterans, law enforcement, and first responders when you buy. Maybe it's not when you buy this, but I know that they support veterans and law enforcement, first responders. I like that. Roasted in the USA, but it's very, high caffeine. But it's very strong. Brett likes his coffee really black. I don't really care. I have Hawaiian bread, and then this oat bran bread is what I get from Aldi's every time. Some popcorn, mini marshmallows, and the sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna make these s'more bars that Dalen has been asking me for. Salsa, again, this is just stuff for dinners. This I got at Walmart. This is going to be for the taco ranch bites. Technically, I was supposed to have something else besides this like puff pastry thing, but I cannot, or I don't think Walmart carries what I actually needed, so this is like a substitute. And it's just fine. And then they actually had lunch meat on sale for like $4 something at Aldi's. I think it's like $7 for this, like the smaller things at Walmart. So I grabbed 2 of those. Golden Grams, the original retro recipe made with real honey. This will last about a night. Like Brett and Dalton just sit and eat bowls and not really, but they sit, and this goes fast. I am going to clean out my fridge. It is pretty bare, kind of. And then put groceries away and eat something because I am starving. But I'm going to put my headphones in. It's Friday, which means Crime Weekly podcast just released a new episode. So here we go.